Have you ever done some pruning in your garden, trees, etc.? I've just used one of these extensively for the last few days to prune 3 of my trees here in my garden. And I thought I just need to jump on and share some insights I gained while doing it, or some, basically analogy for life as well. Besides my tennis elbow that I now have, this whole exercise of just spending time in the garden, doing some physical work is always a good thing. But while I was pruning, it just made me thought of life in general. It's not a easy process to be pruned, if I can put it that way. Sometimes, the cut is clean, there's not a lot of pain while being pruned. Other times you use a saw, and that's quite a painful process, I believe, when it takes time and there's these teeth cutting into you. It's not a lacquer process, but it's a very necessary process, just as it is for the trees. It is a preparation phase. It's preparing the trees for new growth in springtime. And sometimes the cut is a thicker branch, something more significant that must be changed in our lives. Other times it's a smaller little piece that needs to be cut off. But somehow we need to get rid of the things that is not promoting growth. So I truly believe, and again, I'll make a video with the lessons that I've learned over the last 2 years since my retrenchment soon. But in the end, as I said, it's a necessary process. And I believe that our pruning, our pain that we go through, our difficult times that we go through, the challenges that we go through, is a good thing. It's all in preparation for something else. And I see, the challenging situations I'm going through, the difficult times I'm going through. It's all giving me lessons, which I can then use in a very useful manner for others again. Sharing, what I've gone through and maybe the lessons that I've learned, how it can help somebody else. Just as, all these pieces that's now been cut off, it gets dumped at the waste yard. I was just there. But, that again goes through machinery, and in the end, it becomes compost for gardens and for other people's gardens to grow. And again, I think that the lessons that we learn in our lives through this pruning process, which I believe, God is a very big part of, and He uses these challenges and these difficult situations to teach us lessons. Again, lessons that we might use in future to encourage others. So I just want to encourage you, if you're going through a difficult time, the sun will always come up again. It's not an everlasting process. It's a season perhaps that you need to go through. And always think of what you've learned and what you are learning in those times, and maybe write it down. Be practical. Write down your lessons. One of the best exercises I've ever done is to, it's many years ago, but to sit down and write a life story, my life story. And out of that, I've realized how many lessons there are that I can share with others. So I don't want to say hang in there like a branch, excuse the pun, but make sure that you don't go through it alone, that you talk to others, that you reflect, that you take a step back and see the bigger picture, because sometimes the challenges that we go through cloud our judgment, and it's just so overwhelming. And and it's always a good idea to just step back, again, see the bigger picture, have a look at what you can be grateful for. Remember those two very important things I've mentioned in the earlier video. Look after your health and look after your relationships. Relationship, in my case, with God, number one, wife, children, and wider family members, friendships. Those are the people that's going to carry you through these challenges. And those are probably also the people that also need the lessons that you have gained. They need to hear it as well. So never see any challenge as a waste. Always have a look at what you can get from that and share it with others. Don't wait. And allow yourself to be pruned. It's a good thing. See you next time.